I've been getting a lot of comments saying that I should try to stick these confetti balls on the ceiling like globbles. So I'm gonna do that. But first, I'm gonna wash them. Okay, I think that's enough water, so I'm gonna put the balls in now. Okay, now time to dry them. Wow, guys, I can already tell that these have gotten a lot stickier. Now I'm going to test them on the ceiling. Wow, they're sticking. Oh my... They're sticking pretty well, honestly. Okay, quick update. They've been on the ceiling for about a minute now, and this one looks like it's going to fall soon. Okay, update. They both fell. But look, oh my gosh, they left literally marks on my wall. I don't think that was supposed to happen. Neatos. Yeah. Stand. Which one should I get? Thank you. I got the duck poppet. Look at all the Neatos I just found. They have this glow-in-the-dark one, and they have the monkey noodles, which I already have those. And bubble Neatos. And they have tea Neatos. And this ginormous Neato. Squishy banana. I love these Orbeez things. Look how cool this is. I got the yellow color changing Neato. And the blue bubble Neato. Bye! Hey guys! I just got my Fidget package in the mail, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. So the first things I got were these poppets. These are the ones I got, and as you guys can see, I haven't opened them yet. Okay, let's start with the pineapple. Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. It even has little pineapples. Okay, let's see how it pops. Here's the other side. Next up is the carrot. This one has little bunnies on it. Wow, I love this one. This one's really similar to the pineapple one. Okay, next is a lobster. This one has little lobsters on it. First side. Okay, last up is a crab. This one has little crabs on it. The last things I got are these mochis. 2 of these are going to be for the giveaway. Hi guys! I just got my small fidget pack from Amazon in the mail today. This is everything that I got, so let's open it. So first up, I got these 4 marble and mesh. I love the patterns on these. Next up, I got these 2 pea poppers. I do already have a pea popper, but you can never have too many pea poppers. Next up, I got these 2 bike chains. I really like these, especially this blue one. Next, I got this maze game. I don't really know the real name for this. This is it out of the packaging. And I also got this mini Rubik's Cube. I'm honestly scared to mess this up. Next up, I got these 2 snakes. These are so fun and small. I also got these 2 mini wacky tracks. I actually have a bigger version of this one. And I love the colors on this one. Last up, I got this infinity cube. I love playing with this. That's all, bye!
Let me tell you what fidgets are actually worth it. Yes. No. No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. Bye!
Hey guys, Mr. Flip Fidgets on TikTok sent me a few Mr. Flips to review. If you would like to get a Mr. Flip for yourself, the link will be in my bio. They included 3 airheads, which was super nice of them, and 2 Mr. Flips. Look how nicely packaged they are. Both of the Mr. Flips came packaged in this really nice quality pouch. Wow, that color is gorgeous. I love the coloring on this one too. This one is the Mr. Flip and this one is the Mrs. Flip. And you can get both the Mr. Flip and the Mrs. Flip in a set on their website. Now let's test them out. And not only do they flip really nicely, but they also spin. These Mr. Flips are such good quality. With just the tiniest push, it flips. I'm going to test the Mrs. Flip on my kitchen table. Link in bio to purchase. Hey guys, I'm at Walmart and I'm going fidget hunting with my dad.
Hi.
So we found some monkey noodles, Orbeez balls, and like the squishy thing, mini brands, splat ball. Guys, they have Neatos. Oh my gosh, look how many. They have this really clear slime. Oh my gosh, more splat balls. Guys, they have ASMR pods. And they have these flying chickens. And they have a ton of slime. More slime. Guys, they have snakes. I'm trying to decide between the black one and the blue one. More slime. They have this squishmallow and then one up there. They have all of these ASMR pods. Oh my gosh. Haul when I get home. Fidget collector chat. Show me your newest fidget toy. Your favorite fidget toy. The fidget toy that's best for school. Your least favorite fidget toy. A fidget toy you've never seen someone else have. And a fidget that you highly recommend to others. Hi guys! I'm so excited because I got this package from Plush Flip. So let's open it. Oh my gosh, this is everything that I got inside. And if you guys want to buy one of these for yourself, they will be linked in my bio. So first up, I have this boba plush, and I don't know about you, but I love boba. And it flips into this really cute strawberry boba. Oh my gosh, look how cute it looks. Next up, I have these two octopuses. I have always wanted one of these, and they're so soft. And it flips into this really cute pink one. The colors remind me of cotton candy. Here's the orange one. And it flips into this angry black octopus, which gives me very Halloween vibes. Lastly, we have this lion. And it flips into this angry blue lion. Look at the face. These can also help you if you have ADHD or anxiety. I use this next to my bedside table to tell people when I'm happy and when I'm angry/sad. The link will be in my bio.